over a year ago, I was participating in a local USPSA match when I noticed one of my squad mates was using a very familiar holster, and it was in fact the OWB Floodlight. So naturally I asked him if he was enjoying using it for competition purposes, and he proceeded to explain to me why it was actually easily one of his favorite holsters for using at matches because of its wide variety of compatibility options. Whether that be, using it with a backup gun, loaning it to a buddy, or swapping out competition guns altogether, the holster remained the same. So over the last couple of months, I have actually started using the OWB Floodlight for matches and have had the opportunity to experience the same benefits of that versatility firsthand. So in this video, I want to talk about our OWB Floodlight, how it differs from our IWB Floodlight, its mounting options, and how you can optimize it for use in competition. Let's start with a quick overview of the Floodlight OWB. First, it will fit just about any duty size pistol with an X300U or TLR-1 light attack. A size adjustable blade tech lock comes pre-installed, but the Floodlight OWB will fit nearly every blade tech, G-code, Safariland, Blackhawk, belt or drop leg attachment, as well as most competition belt hangers. And it's fully ambidextrous, so you can just swap the hardware to the opposite side for left-handed carry. Our inside the waistband Floodlight 2 really only has one thing in common with its OWB counterpart, and that is their light compatibility. Both the OWB and the IWB floodlights are compatible with either the X300U or the TLR-1 light. The IWB Floodlight 2 is made of a different material. It comes with ComfortScape technology and has clip blocking for DCC clips or your favorite IWB holster clips. The IWB Floodlight 2 is not designed to be used outside the waistband or vice versa, and the IWB OWB floodlights are not interchangeable. Once you get your OWB floodlight in the mail, you'll likely have some retention tuning to do, but don't worry, we have a comprehensive guide for that, which I will have linked down in the description box below. Now, you won't need to buy anything extra in order to get your floodlight up and running. However, I would like to share a quick hack with you. Since I started using my OWB floodlight at matches, I noticed that I was wishing I had a way to adjust my retention on the fly. I wanted really light retention just before I responded to the beep, but fairly tight retention for just about every other part of the match. So I ordered some TurboProp competition retention knobs from Henry Holsters and installed one of them on the light side of my holster. So when I get the make ready command, I do whatever it is that I need to do, load my gun, check my optic, blah, 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 and then I loosen my retention a turn or so. I've been using my OWB floodlight at matches for several months now with my PDP steel frame and don't have any plans to swap it out anytime soon. I'm curious though, if you're a floodlight user, what kind of convenience has the universal fit brought to your range trips? Sound off in the comments down below.